Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobbie Time. I'm gonna do another page, and actually I'm gonna do a two back to back, okay? So, hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it, okay? Alright, as you can tell, I'm gonna do the Simpsons. When I think Simpsons, I think of this bright pink, so probably because of this donut. But I'm gonna do a 2-page spread. I have plenty of stickers to go around for it, and I think it'd be a good idea. So we're just gonna do it. Sounds like a good idea. They crack me up. I have a lot. Don't mind my dog. She's yelling at the cats. I like this one. Homer's like, he's like, ooh. Can you see him? So I'm gonna put him over here where he's like excited about that donut. But I want this donut. And if you don't like The Simpsons, I'm sorry, but I do. Watched them a lot as a kid, back when everything wasn't so, I don't know, everybody in the world getting offended. But it's good. It's a good adult cartoon, I suppose. Donut doesn't want to come from its backing. Thanks for that. These aren't all stuck on here. I just was kind of putting them on. That's how it'll look in the binder. So comment below and tell me what kind of themes or other, not necessarily themes, but ideas for stickers, what shows, or whatever. I can find it, or I can try to find it, that you would like. So I'm pretty sure this is what cats do like all the time. You hear that sound and you're running, right? Always hacking up hairballs. Santa's little helper. Their dog, it's a greyhound, which Homer brought home on Christmas Day. He saved Christmas. You gotta have a Lisa on there, right? See, what's funny is I have the family like this. Like they're all happy together. In the same sense, I have a picture of them all trying to get Homer's donuts. He has a whole box. Why can't he share? Well, I mean, I guess it's Homer, and he doesn't want to share donuts. Seems about right. We all have that one treat in our lives, or favorite food, favorite treat, that we really don't want to share. We hide it from the kids, or spouse, or whoever, so we don't have to share. It's our little indulgence. Off the top of my head, I don't know what it is, because even if I hide it, I end up sharing it with the kids, or they end up finding it. And or they're asking for something, I'm like, yeah, I have something. I still end up sharing it. It's itchy and scratchy. We fight, right? Fight. Make it look like they're fighting over the donut. Because, you know, seems like everybody is fighting over this donut. Oh, already was stuck in. Trying to peel it back off. Sadie stopped growling. Because she's growling, she hears somebody outside, so she might get to hear her be louder. Don't want her to be louder, but she might be. She's a big dog. Groundskeeper Willie, Otto, which I don't know how he got a license or how he's kept his bus license, but he has. Maggie. Makes the famous sound. Sucking on the pacifier. Troublemaker Bart. Marge, who has the patience. Okay, well, she just chose to stick there, stuck there. Oh, should Slideshow Mel. Some blank space over here. Can add Bart and Homer. Oh no. Come off nicely, come off nicely. Realized I stuck it down a little too far off to the edge. There we go. Because his hand would have been off. I have silly dancing Maggie. Bart and his skateboard. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have stuck so close to his other skateboard. No room, no room, no. A little room? He's always spray painting El Barto, which, how do people not catch on that it's him? I don't know. Don't know about that. Nope. 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 Let me just take a Bart head. I don't want just a Bart head. See, I need to get like small filler stickers for some of these. Like to put in. I think I'm gonna have to come back and fill in some of this. But what do you think? For a 2-page spread, I like the pink background. Yeah, I need some smaller filler ones. I had some other ones, but I don't really like that they're smoking, so I didn't put them in here. So, yeah, I like it. You guys like it? Cool beans. Alright, I'm done. So, like, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys like or think. What other shows, what other kind of stickers, themes, etc. There'll be other links to my other pages and other videos I have on here, and here. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.